Here we are on the Darling River. Kayaks set up, ready to go. Darling River's actually flowing, so we're going to give it a go. Yeah. Paddle upstream and see what we can find. We're finally on the Darling. Kayaking on the Darling. Woohoo! My one-person power engine's having a rest. Come on, no time to rest. I've got filming to do. Look at those humongous river red gums, aren't they beautiful? Up until about a week ago, this was just a series of slimy green ponds, basically. It's been big rain up in Queensland and this has come down the Caldella River sort of in southeast Queensland and just flushed out the river a little bit. In 4 days it's made its way downstream about 30 k's. It just takes forever. Apparently there's more coming down the Warrego River, which is from western Queensland, so I don't know, maybe a couple of weeks or a month they should see, hopefully, a bit more of a flow. This should be great. It's our Pelican pilot up ahead, checking out the water for us. It's just paddling up ahead of us, just keeping an eye on us all the time. Couldn't be bothered flying away, he's just chilled. So he's about to take off. He took off last time and flew about, I don't know, 100 metres up the river. Now we've caught up to him and he's a little bit, I don't quite know what to think. There he goes. Look at those roots there, that tree's just hanging on, barely hanging on. Those roots are holding the banks together. Yeah, this is pretty amazing. So we're actually paddling in supposed floodwaters. And I don't know whether you can see, give it a go. There's still a whole lot of, look at the water there, see all the gunk in the water, little black bits and white bubbly bits. So it's still flushing out, which is a really good thing to see, because downstream there's some really disgusting lime green billabongs. Well, they all are. All the pools are just this horrible lime green colour, full of blue-green algae. But not here. It's come back to life again. Kayaking on the Darling. This is pretty good. Straight into a tree. Yeah, exactly. Coming up ahead is Louth Bridge. The township of Louth is on our left. And yeah, so we've just paddled from where we come from today, dear, Queensland border, down through Burke, passing Louth, and then we get about 30 k's south at Louth. We're going to run out of water because the water hasn't got that far, so we're going to have to pick up the kayak and wheel it down the riverbed into Tilpa, Vulcania. It's going to be a long walk, but we'll get there. We'll finally hit the Murray. Or maybe we'll just get out here underneath the bridge and carry it back up to our camper.